What a fabulous opportunity to own lakefront property on Lake Palestine. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage is spacious and offers great views of the lake. With over 2,600 square feet, its open floor plan, 3 living areas, and wet bar make entertaining a breeze. There is an expansive deck area to enjoy the lake and outdoors. Other amenities include a 20 by 40 shop with electricity, large storage building, greenhouse, circle drive, sprinklered yard, and nice boathouse with pier. This lake community also has a convenient boat launch for its residents. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.